Sora 2 exploded onto the scene, and suddenly, invite codes became gold. People are selling them, scammers are everywhere, and finding a safe, free code feels impossible. In this video, I will show you 3 proven methods to get a Sora 2 invite code for free, including a step-by-step approach you can follow right now. I tested these methods so you do not fall for fake sellers or shady links. Stay with me, and by the end, you will know exactly where to look, what to avoid, and how to claim an unlimited invite code safely. Ready to stop paying and start using Sora 2 today? Let's dive in. For the first method, we'll be using a website, which you can see on the screen right now. I've added the link in the video description, so make sure to check it out. When you click on it, you'll be taken directly to the website. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is click on the Get Invite Code button. At this point, the website will ask you to make a small promise. They want you to agree that after receiving your invite code, you'll share some of your own codes back with the community. Here's how it works. When you successfully create your Sora 2 account, you'll receive 4 invite codes of your own. You'll then return to this same website and contribute a few of those codes, usually 3 or 4, so that others can get their invites too. This donation-style system keeps everything going and helps everyone gain access. Once you've written how many codes you can share, simply click I will repay with the code. Right after that, you should receive a Sora invite code on your screen. Copy it immediately and head over to Sora to paste it into the login section. Now, here's something to keep in mind. When I tried my first code, it didn't work. The system said invalid invite, which can happen because some people recycle old or already used codes. In other words, not every code you get will be active. You might have to test several, sometimes 10 or 12, before you find one that works. If you're lucky, you might get a valid one on your first try. Be patient and keep testing the codes you receive. After a little persistence, I eventually found one that worked. The moment it accepted my code, the message popped up saying, "Welcome to the new Sora." That's when I clicked Get Started, and the Sora interface opened up right away. You can see that I now have full access to the platform and can start creating videos without any restrictions. Now, moving on to the second method. For this one, click on the second link in the description titled Mind Video. This platform gives you access to Sora 2 completely free of charge, and the setup is extremely simple. All you need to do is log in with your Google account. Since I already have an account created, I'll just log in directly to save us some time. Once you're inside, you'll see that Mind Video is currently running Sora 2 in its free beta version. Your credits will show as 0, meaning it doesn't cost anything to use at this stage. Take a look at the output quality. It's identical to what you'd get from Sora's official model, with one small difference. Mind Video adds its own watermark instead of Sora's. If you'd like to remove that watermark, I've shared a full guide on that in one of my previous videos, so you can check that out later. If you notice that the interface appears in Chinese when you first log in, don't worry. Simply go to the top right corner of the screen and change the language to English. Once you do that, everything will switch over, and you'll have a clean, easy-to-use interface where you can enter your prompts and start generating high-quality videos for free. For the third method, we will use Reddit. I have dropped the community link in the video description so you can open it right away. When the subreddit loads, change the sorting option to New so the freshest posts appear at the top. Then start refreshing the feed and watch closely. As soon as someone posts an invite code, copy it immediately and paste it into Sora before anyone else grabs it. Speed is everything with this method. A quick example from my session. A code was posted, and within a minute, someone replied. That reply is your signal that these posts move fast, and that the method can really pay off if you act quickly. A few practical tips to increase your chances. Use the Reddit app and enable push notifications for the subreddit, so you get alerted the moment a new post appears. Or, use your browser with a tight refresh interval and keep the tab in view. Remember that some codes expire or are used up instantly, so expect to try several before one succeeds. stay persistent, and you will eventually hit a working invite. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've just learned 3 effective ways to get your Sora 2 invite code completely free. Whether you're using the community website, the mindvideo platform, or the Reddit method, all it takes is a bit of patience and consistency. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment below to share which method worked for you, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Begins here. From the moment the lid lifts, every detail is engineered for speed. Featherlight mesh, carbon-infused midsole, traction that bites at any angle. That's the AeroSprint 2, where every gram counts.
When you need more than a spark, reach for Volt Energy. Packed with natural caffeine, electrolytes, and zero sugar, it's built to power your drive, sharpen your focus, and keep you moving. Crisp, charged, refreshing. Volt Energy.
Box is that? Box now, let's go.
Copy, box now.
Right side clear. Tandem! March! Right now.
Copy, I'm in.
Let's go! Higher gun up!